my name is Merlin Priscilla and I'm studying in St. Francis High School and I've scored 96 in my SSLC boards. And since the tuition and all the coaches for 10th standard was very costly and was not affordable for me, at the right time Pariksha came and it helped me a lot to score this much marks in my exam.
Okay, Merlin, we have a few questions for you. This is just for us to understand how Pariksha can improve or how we've impacted your study journey. Okay, so you can wait. Everyone's been picking the same chit, so just mix it up. Pick a chit and answer whatever question.
Which chapter did you understand better through our explanation? I think it is biology reproduction chapter. It was very helpful for me to break down all the topics and learn.
Okay. We also had our crash course going on from the 1st of February. Did you have anything to say about our crash course? How did that go?
Crash course, since we had a lot of portions to finish in our revisions in the last few days, crash courses helped a lot to complete everything within a few hours and few minutes.
Okay. Any technique that we gave out that might have helped you? We used to give out mnemonics or mind maps and everything.
Mnemonics and mind maps.
Great. Any particular mnemonic that you might remember from any subject?
I don't know.
That's great. Okay, so what was your study technique, Merlin? If you would, suggest something to your juniors, how would you encourage them to study? Like, what kind of timetable did you maintain?
Timetable was I used to study in the evenings after 6. I used to study, and for me, it's like studying. You have to start loving studying. Then only you will understand everything. And more than getting grades, it's about acquiring the knowledge from the textbooks. And yes.
Okay. Have you used our app?
I've downloaded. I've used it for quicker search of videos and.
Okay. Did you by any chance use the practice MCQs that we had on there?
I think I've used one, but I think most of them they've given in our school itself. They only gave it.
Okay. Did you use our notes?
Notes, yes.
Yeah.
I've used it for Kannada and English.
Okay. Any particular subject that you really like in Pariksha, that any teacher that you would like to talk about, you can go ahead and tell us.
Padma Shri ma'am and Ashita.
Any reason why?
Because you use more English words in the ma'am and first language English, so it was more understandable for me, and it was more. Yes, ma'am. I used to see more for English and biology because a little complicated words and all of that. So it made
Okay. Any feedback for us, Merlin? Any way that we can improve for your juniors?
little bit in English. That's all. English medium, it's there, no, ma'am? For English, it's
Yeah. We are catering to both English and Kannada.
then it's all good, all in track.
Great. Thank you so much. So, are you going to be using Pariksha for
Yes,
your
definitely.
What are you taking up after
PCMB science.
PCMB science? And what's your?
Not yet decided.
That's okay. That's okay. No pressure. No.
And why don't you all also subscribe and get good marks in your SSLC?